Raj Kapoor actually is the first person in the film industry who started the 2 to 2 shift. Karan, he got very like lonely and jealous because everybody was blaming him, and he wanted some company, so he started using our names.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I'm tormented by the fact that I was bullied.
No, of course.
But I was bullied being an actor son in school for sure.
Relationships are so short-lived. So what do you have to say about that?
Yeah, love has no rule. You know, I mean, you can't say what's right and wrong. Happiness is real only when it's shared. Otherwise, you know, you just go on with your life trying to chase your goals, trying to chase an ambition. And before you know it, you know, you don't have anybody to share it with. So there is no hard and fast rule that you have to be married, you have to have children, you can be in open relationships, you can be in live-in relationships, you can be in any kind of relationships, as long as, you know, you're honest to yourself, you're honest to your partner, and that's it. There's no rule.
You've been very family-driven. A lot of people kind of don't know this about you, Ranbir.
I think, Bebo, it's also the influences that we had from our family, because our family's been so close, and, you know, and I would give a lot of credit to our dadi, because she's someone who really held the family close together.
Yeah, in whatever situation, you know.
Yeah, and you know, every Sunday getting the whole family together. I saw my father, how close he was to his brothers and sisters. Just seeing that, I think that kind of influences you.
Yeah,
and,
it is like...
You also get to know, okay, this is a happy life, because they were happy people when they were together. So yeah, I've always aspired to have a family life, and very happy that it's complete now.
You don't have to guess who it is, but you have to say, was this in good taste or bad taste?
I think it's very good taste. I think there are very few people who can carry off an attire, and I think he really pulled it off well.
So Ranveer Singh really has good taste.
For sure.
Okay, fine. So Ranbir Kapoor has given his verdict on that.
Dal chawal, greatest taste. Se better kya? And also there's pyaz and mirchi and papad and nimbu. Matlab, this is a...
But you like this meal, or you're more into paya?
Yeah, but I know that...
You like dal chawal, obviously.
Yeah, but I know the health hazards of paya. Like, we've seen that within our family. So something like this is awesome.
Yeah, I love it.
What's your favorite home food, Bebo?
Mine is also, I love khichdi and achar.
Khichdi and achar?
So it's a version of dal.
What kind of achar?
Both Saif and me love aam and nimbu ka achar.
Okay. So your favorite cuisine is ghar ka khana?
Yeah.
Nothing
Indian
beats.
food. जैसे कि हमारे family में है कि we love Chinese food. I'm not so into Chinese.
This actually, I know the backstory of it. He was instigating Zidane. He said something about his mother, and Zidane, being hot-headed, he headbutted him in the World Cup. So I would say it's bad taste because he broke the conduct of football and sportsmanship. But I do have empathy towards Zidane, the fact that he did it. But I would say
you can't do this. Absolutely correct. See, Ranbir is a good guy.
Of course. Oof, ये तो utmost favorite. जब भी मैं film city में shoot करता हूँ, but you know, honestly, I am a bigger fan of bhajia pav than vada pav.
Really?
I like the aloo bhajia. I put 5-6 of them. You put that chutney, everything, but you put 5-6 aloo bhajia and also kanda bhajia, and with pav, I prefer that to vada pav. So I would still say great taste. I mean, this is our food of our
even school days.
Yeah, everything. ठीक है, यहाँ po.
I wish. I think you know who this person is.
Is it Urfi?
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of this kind of fashion, but I believe that we are living in a world today that if you're comfortable in your skin, you can
bad taste, Ranbir.
Okay, bad taste.
Now we have this last one.
Is this PC?
Yes.
You know everything, huh?
But I just want to just inform everyone कि जैसे आप सब देख रहे हैं कि रणबीर को सब पता है. He has answered everything without seeing his pictures, just acting, pretending that he's
PC is
not
awesome.
on Insta.
So definitely good taste. I think she has a lot of carriage and she pulls it off. And because she has this self-confidence.
Yeah,
and if you have self-confidence, you can pull off anything. So I would say great taste.
Great taste. Equal pay for male and female actors.
Of course.
All for it.
Yeah, for sure.
Being fair-skinned makes you more confident.
I don't think so.
An artist's background defines his or her talent.
You mean from the family they come from? Absolutely not. I mean, if you go and see in our industry, most of the biggest actors, actresses, directors are somebody who haven't come from film families.
Women actors shouldn't be taller than their male actors.
I mean, that's rubbish. They could be tall, they could be short, they could be thin, fat, doesn't matter. I mean, the biggest superstars of our country, the three Khans, aren't that tall.
Yeah.
And they worked with all actresses, and it didn't matter if they're tall or short.
Yeah, height doesn't matter.
Height doesn't matter.
And finally, क्योंकि audience हमारी family के बारे में जानना चाहते, they love knowing about obviously, a little bit of how we all are. तो मैं आपको कुछ फर्जी award categories दूंगी, and you have to say who in the family basically deserve it.
ठीक है.
सबसे बड़ा foodie.
I would probably say Chimpu Chacha. He was a foodie, and Arman,
Arman, I was just going to say Arman.
and Reema.
I believe at
Reema.
Siddharth and Kiara's wedding, he has eaten so much, you have no
Possible.
idea.
But Reema Bua,
Reema. But I feel Arman is really
Reema, Arman, and Chimpu Chacha.
Hamesha late. You.
No, for me, time is very important. I'm always on time. But Hamesha late, I would say, are you good with time?
I'm good with time.
Yeah, I think everybody respects time in our family. I don't think I don't
Yeah.
know how Shami Kapoor and Shashi Kapoor and Raj Kapoor. Raj
was always
Kapoor
late.
actually is the first person in the film industry who started the 2 to 2 shift because
He was always late.
because he wanted to really kind of be inspired by his movies and sleep late. So he started the 2 o'clock shift, the 2 p.m. shift. I mean, I've heard these stories from a lot of people.
2 to 2
So I would say that probably he was not really on time.
on time. I'm not asking this next one क्योंकि मुझे पता है ये
No.
answer क्या
I
है.
want to know.
And
No, say na.
we both are allowed to answer this. I know the answer.
Say,
Gossip monger.
I think Bebo, you and me have this bad reputation,
I think
I
so.
think it's because of Karan. He got very lonely and jealous because everybody was blaming him, and he wanted some company, so he started using our names.
Yeah, I think so.
The
No?
thing is,
clarify this.
The thing is, you and me are very interested about what's happening in the film industry,
Yeah.
what movies are happening.
Yeah.
Because we are fans.
Yeah,
we are
we
fans.
just want to know.
We want to know. But I think gossip would be. Let's give it to Reema Bua.
Poor thing. I mean, okay, fine. If
Yeah.
it's it. Yeah, she likes to collect.
Yeah.
Na?
So it's not you and me.
No. सबसे बड़ा लड़ाकू.
सबसे बड़ा लड़ाकू. I think it would be Papa. Like he
He used
was.
to fire people.
He used to fire people
Yeah.
a lot. So I would say him.
The pushover.
I think Ritu Bua
Yeah,
was
she
someone who was really sweet and
Yeah.
docile and somebody who really was selfless.
selfless. And
which-
now I think it would be Lolo
Lolo and Tashu.
and Tashu. All three of
Yeah,
them
yeah.
were like they're pretty similar.
Yeah.
So on the contrary to popular belief, लोग कहते थे कि जब शादी हो जाती है, especially जब heroines की शादी हो जाती है, तो उनकी career खत्म हो जाता है. So what do you think is
I think it's such a
this brought
stupid,
about this change?
dated concept. I mean, you've also been the torchbearer of this. You've had such a illustrious, amazing career. You got married, you had children at your own terms, at your peak, and you never left your peak. You're still at your peak, and I think that's something which is a great example. I know that Alia looks up to you. When she was getting into this part of her life, about marriage and child, and she always, was very inspired by how you have balanced your professional life and personal life. I think you guys are all, disruptors of all these old age concepts
norms and concepts and yeah.
thoughts, and which is great.
Ranveer, सारे celeb parents चाहते हैं that of course their children lead a completely normal life away from the paparazzi culture. So how do you and Alia believe that you're not going to deal with this?
We definitely don't want to sit on this high castle and say that, oh, ye mat karo, wo mat karo. We understand that we both are actors, and there is a certain level of interest that comes the fact that you're actors, that people want to, get you photographed. When Taimur was born, the kind of attention that the media tilted towards Taimur was unbelievable. We've never seen that ever. I don't think any industry has ever seen that. A child gets so much of attention. So as parents, we'll just try and protect it as much as we can. It's not
Yeah.
something that, it's not a do and die situation. Like we said, we just want for her to
Yeah.
have a normal upbringing. The fact to go to school, not make her feel too, special around, different children, and she should just have a normal life. So just that, other than that, there's no rule, or there is no like, oh no, we want it this way. Raha should not grow up after 4-5 years and say that, why are they not kicking me?
No, that I don't think that
she
is
should
not
not be
going to
saying
happen.
that also.
That is not going to happen.
Yeah.
But this is the right approach
Yeah.
because of
What if she
course
comes one day and says, see how much Jay and Taimur get tricked? मेरे तो कोई photos ही नहीं ले रहा.
ऐसे तो होगा नहीं.
हाँ.
But in fact, Saif और हमने भी decide किया था कि actually we're just going to be like, just go with the flow.
Yeah.
But there's always that thing, हाँ, इसकी बेटी है, उसका बेटा. There's always that
But did you ever get dragged in school and all?
No.
You didn't. I did. Like I got bullied. I got.
But bullied? Why would you get bullied?
Sometimes being an actor's son, your seniors, sometimes they bully you because you are like a soft target. But I think somewhere that also kind of hardens you. That also kind of prepares you for the world. I think it was a blessing only. I don't see it as, oh, I'm tormented by the fact that I was bullied.
No, of course.
But I was bullied being an actor's son in school for sure.
Fans का एक सवाल है कि what is that moment कि जहाँ तुम्हें आलिया से वो feeling आई कि I'm ready for दाल चावल now?
Actually, मेरी फिल्म का डायलॉग है, ये जवानी है दीवानी के, लाइफ में थोड़ा टंगड़ी कबाब, chicken hakka noodle hai chahiye, you know, not boring like dal chawal. But then I realized with age and दुनियादारी कि दाल चावल से better तो कुछ है ही नहीं.
I like the whole,
So,
you know, the
yeah,
comparison.
exactly.
I like it.
So it came from that idea.
हम्म.
ऐसा कुछ मोमेंट नहीं था कि मैंने उसे दूर से देखा, उसने मुझे दूर से देखा.
हाँ, और वो हाई स्पीड
और
वाले
ये high
शॉट्स
speed, we got to know each other through Brahmastra, and of course we've known each other before the film also, but it very naturally happened. I guess it happened with you and Saif that way also. You all met on a movie, or you all
Yeah,
met?
same Tashan.
Tashan, no?
Yeah.
I mean, there's a disadvantage with actors is that we don't really meet people.
Yeah.
The only people we meet are on a
People
film
we're
set.
working with.
So that's why so many actors get married to actresses, and you know, inside within the industry. तो हमारा भी ऐसे ही था. It was a very
But
natural
हमारे
thing.
फैमिली में काफी वो है.
हाँ.
You know, like
Yeah.
our family is married here. They
Yeah,
were
yeah.
related to the Bachchans. We were like,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
it's all.
Shami Kapoor married his co-star. Shashi
Yeah.
Kapoor married his co-star. Your father married his co-star. My father
Yeah.
married his co-star. और कौन है? You married your co-star. I
Shashi
married your
uncle
co-star.
also married
Yeah,
Jennifer.
Shashi Dadaji.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody married their co-star.
Yeah. Okay, so now Ranbir, of course, we know each other really well. But on this part of the show, the moment you've been waiting for, you get to ask me just one question.
Any question?
Any question that you want. एक ही question जानने का, of course, you get that lovely honor.
But would you answer my question honestly?
Depends what it is.
Then how? If you're asking me to just ask one
This
question,
is
I would-
my show. I'm the host.
Yeah, but still, because you know the guests are always, you know, very respected. The guest who comes on your show.
And so is the host respected.
Of course,
so you have to be-
I respect you a lot, Bebo, like too much. So let me ask you a film question. During Jab We Met, when the film released and when you all were shooting the film, did you know what kind of a special film you're going to be part of, and you're going to do such a performance which till today is going to be one of the greatest performances ever? Like, were you aware of it?
Not at all, because I was in this whole zone of.
You mentioned you were doing Tashan that time.
Yeah,
Huh?
and I was like in this whole zone of getting size 0, and that, you know, I'm working like in Tashan with like Akshay and Anil Ji and Saif, and I'm like, you know, I've
Yash
got
Raj
the main
film.
part, and it's like a Yash Raj film. And I'm doing action for the first time. And whenever I used to come on Jab We Met set, it would be like, you know, please, I need to train because, you know, I'm going for action training. I'm going for this training. I want to, you know. It was, I never thought that the reverse situation actually happened.
Mhm.
You know, I had all my bets on Tashan.
So well done. I would like to give you the Radio Mirchi Award for Jab We Met.
Yeah, this
You know,
is, thank
well
you so
done,
much.
Bebo.
Wow. So before I let you go, we must take a selfie in what is Bebo's favorite mirror, because like you have
Mirror?
to take a you know,
Okay.
Bebo selfie in the
Okay.
mirror.
Oh. Fancy. Bebo, I think you should say that iconic line before we take the selfie.
Oh God.
Do it, do it. Say it.
तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो. Thank you so much, Ranbir, for being on my show.
I hope the next time we can work together on a film set. It's a privilege.